Good afternoon, everybody. It is September 5th, 2022. I got a call from somebody who received one of my free Vincas wanting to know why it was turning yellow. Well, we live in Pennsylvania. We've had an enormous amount of rain, and these are heat tolerant plants. So they require very little water. So if your Vinca is turning yellow, do what I do. I bring it in under the porch, let it dry out for a couple days. Don't put it back until the soil's dry, and you're not going to have rain for a couple days. As soon as you put it under a porch, the green leaves come back, and you'll actually start getting buds. I did want to share this with you. I bring these in my garage because it's heated every winter. And this is a mother plant, that's a mother plant, and that's a mother plant. And they dropped all these seedlings plus a bunch more that I give away free to my customers if they purchase a passion flower plant. Hope this helped you. Have a wonderful day and God bless. Please like and subscribe.